Hello everyone, my name is Raditya Ananda Satria. Today we're going to look inside the computer to understand its core hardware component. What is computer hardware? So, what is hardware? Simply put, it's all the physical parts of a computer you can see and touch. It's the body of the system. They include everything inside the case, plus peripherals like the keyboard, mouse, and monitor. The motherboard, the main hub. The first and most fundamental component is the motherboard. This is the main circuit board that connect everything. Think of it as the computer central nervous system. All components plug into it to communicate. The CPU, the brain. Next we have the CPU or central processing unit. This is the brain of the computer. Its job is to execute instruction and perform calculation. Its performance is measured in gigahertz. You have likely heard to Intel or AMD. RAM, short-term memory. Then we have RAM or random access memory. This is the computer short-term memory or temporary workspace. More RAM allows for better multitasking, but RAM is volatile. All data is lost when you turn off the power. Storage, long-term memory. Unlike RAM, storage is the long-term memory. This is where your files, programs, and OS are kept permanently. It's non-volatile, so the data stays. The two main types are the older HDD or hard disk drive and the much faster SSD solid state drive. The GPU, the artist. Next is the GPU or graphic processing unit. If the CPU is the logical brain, the GPU is the artist. It's a specialized processor for handling all graphic, image, and video. It's essential for gaming, video editing, and 3D design. The PSU, the heart. A vital component is the PSU or power supply unit. This is the heart of the computer. It converts electricity from the wall into clean, stable power that the component can use. A bad PSU can damage the entire system. Input and output ports. Finally, for hardware we have input and output or I/O ports. This is how the computer communicates with the outside world. Input, the device lets you talk to the computer like a keyboard or a mouse. Output device let the computer talk to us like a monitor or speaker. Ports are the connection like USB or HDMI. How it's all work together? So how does it all work together? Here's simple flow. 1. You type on the keyboard input or input. 2. The data goes to the motherboard. 3. The CPU processes it using RAM as its workspace. And 4. The CPU tells the GPU to create the image of the letter. 5. The monitor displays the letter or output. When you save, the data goes to storage. Alright, we covered the body, the hardware. Now let's move the Second part, software and operating system. This is the mind or the ghost that makes it all work. Okay, what is software? It's the set of instruction and programs that tell the hardware what to do. You can physically touch it. The best analogy is if hardware is the car, software is the driver. Two main type of software. One, system software. This manage the hardware, is the platform. The main example is the operating system. And two, application software. This help you perform specific tasks. Example are Microsoft Word, Google Chrome, or games. So, what is a operating system or OS? Let's focus on the most important system software, the operating system or OS. The OS is the manager of the computer. It acts the intermediary between you and the hardware. You interact with the OS and the OS talks to the hardware for you. Core function of an OS. The OS has several core functions. First, process management. It manages all running programs and handles multitasking. Second, memory management. It allocates and manages the computer RAM, ensuring programs don't interfere with each other. Core function of an OS. It also handles files management, which organizes how files are stored and retrieved, and hardware management, where it uses drives special program to communicate with hardware like your printer or mouse. Core function of an OS. Two more core functions, the user interface or UI, which is the part you see and use, the icons, menu, and windows. And security, which management user account, password, permission. Type of user interface or UI. There are two main types of user interface. One, GUI or graphical user interface. This is what most of us use it visual with icon, windows, and a mouse. Two, CLI or command line interface. This is text based, is powerful and fast for expert. And popular operating system. Here are the most popular operating system today. For desktop, Microsoft Windows, Apple Mac OS, and Linux. For mobile device, Google Android, and Apple iOS. Summary. To summary everything, hardware is the physical body, software is the set of instruction or the mind, the operating system or OS is the core manager, and application are the tools we use. Okay, thank you for your listening and see you the next time. Thank you.